This is the VL60 Women's Smartwatch in always-on ambient screen display mode. Twist of the wrist, and you're back to AMOLED screen. Beautiful, bright color, multiple watch faces, gorgeous display. You got a built-in flashlight, do not disturb, all kinds of commands and controls here, system, and a really huge range of brightness levels from super dim to blind you outdoors brightness. Really, it's a great, great overall smartwatch. When you get out of here, you can find that you can check messages sent from your phone. You can go into your overall step count information, calories burned, distance traveled, even a daily chart, and your last 7 days record. Last night's sleep time's on here. You've got all of the breakdown throughout the night, from going to bed to waking up, of when you were in each of the different zones, and even naps are tracked in here. You got heart rate capability to measure 24-hour continuous measurement. When you take it off, it stops taking readings. You've got blood pressure. Your last 7 are shown on here. You've got blood oxygen, which uses the green and, the red diode. There you go, which is the more accurate for blood oxygen. It'll also give you your 7-day or most recent 7 measurements. And then stress. It actually does the heart rate variability computation and gives you a 24-hour measure of your stress. And peaks, when you're doing things like doing a watch review. That's where that stress level is right there. Very, very nice. Shows you the times you've been in percentages in each of the different zones as well. Weather, set up, whatever city you put in the app will show you here, and you're back to your overall watch faces, which of course are easily changeable and very colorful. Nice display. When you tap the button, you can get into the overall app door, see your activities and sleep, all the things we just looked at, exercise records. In addition, you got a remote shutter, a built-in music player, streaming music right through the watch, Bluetooth calling right through the watch, down relaxation, your Siri or Google Voices in here, timers, stopwatches, ladies' cycle information. You set that up in the app and track where you are. Much information in the watch, including world clocks and whatever cities you set in there. You can check the time back and forth between them. It's a very robust, women's focused AMOLED screen, Bluetooth calling, waterproof smartwatch. Excellent choice. It is the VL60 Pro. Check it out.